The man who is better for Bihar is Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar.
Yes.
Can you give me some example of Nitish Kumar, whatever he
Yes.
has done?
Yes. You can see everything. You are seeing that your roads are very good. We have got Bijli, electricity, free of cost. People are enjoying it. Income. He starts income with the word ENCOME. Is the spelling of income. Is it true that MY Samikaran, MY equation is relevant? And still relevant. But only Muslim and Jadov are not
The people of
citizens,
Bihar.
people. Yes, there are so many castes in Bihar. इन लोगों के अलायंस में, इन लोगों के गठबंधन में किसी तरह का कोई दम नहीं है।
नोरमा ग्रुप, जो सोचता है वो करता है। आपके अपने सपनों का आशियाना।
नमस्कार, मैं दीपक, देख रहे हैं आप भारत लाइव। देखिए, बिहार में विधानसभा का चुनाव है और चुनाव से पहले लगातार हम जनता की मन टटोलने निकल चुके हैं। आखिर क्या मन है जनता का, क्या मिजाज है, कौन सत्ता में होगा और सत्ता से बाहर कौन होगा। चलिए लोगों से बातचीत करते हैं और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं बिहार के लिए बेहतर कौन। क्या नाम है आपका?
जी, हमारा नाम सुरेंद्र सिंह है।
सुरेंद्र सिंह। सुरेंद्र जी, 2, 3, 4 सवाल आपसे लेके एक ही सवाल ले।
ना, you are free to ask so many questions from me.
I am free to ask so many questions from
yes.
you.
Any type of
First
question may be asked by you.
Which is better for Bihar, तेजस्वी यादव और नीतीश कुमार?
देखिए, आपने पूछा कि who is better for Bihar? The man who is better for Bihar is Nitish Kumar.
नीतीश कुमार?
Yes.
Only नीतीश कुमार?
Yeah, only Nitish Kumar.
Why not तेजस्वी यादव?
Tejasvi Yadav has no vision. He is not educated. He is not highly educated. He wants to earn money. He wants to get power by hook or by crook.
Why Nitish Kumar is better for Bihar?
Because he has done so many work for Bihar. He has given a new status to Bihar.
Can we give
In all respects of life, he has done better.
Can you give me some example of Nitish Kumar, whatever he has done?
Yes, you can see everything. You are seeing that your roads are very good. We have got Bijli, electricity, free of cost. People are enjoying it. There is complete peace and silence in Bihar. So that's why we want to that Nitish Kumar must continue.
Tejasvi is saying that he will give sarkari naukri or government job to all the family of Bihar.
One who says such type of statement, gives such type of statement, is really fool. Because Bihar has more than about 3 crore parivars.
Families, bilkul.
Family, and each and every family will be given job. Then at least about 3 crore vacancies are required.
Bilkul. How can he give?
Yes, it is quite impossible.
But he is saying that he will give.
No. This is his election promises. Nothing more than there is no reality in his statement. He wants to get power at all costs.
Tejasvi Yadav used to say that in the 17 year, nothing has been done from Nitish Kumar. But in the 17 month, he has done many things. He had given 5 lakh naukris to Bihari.
You are an educated person. You know that Chief Minister is the head of cabinet.
Ji.
No decision can be taken without the permission of Chief Minister. Since Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is present, no man can or a deputy CM cannot appoint a person.
But Tejasvi Yadav continuously saying that.
He is telling a lie. He is telling a lie.
Do you know Tejasvi Yadav threw the pen from the van, from the Vinity van or from the bus while doing rallies?
He is doing every work to win the election. He is trying to deceive the people of Bihar by giving them unassured messages or promises.
Your vote is safe or not?
Yes, already said.
But Tejasvi and Rahul is continuously saying
No.
There is a process of vote chori.
The people of Bihar have rejected his ideas of stealing votes.
Tejasvi Yadav is young leader and he is
Young,
continuously-
this is true that he is young. Only youngness is not enough. There must have some educational qualifications. He can't. He sometimes what he speaks wrong. He does not know the spelling of intelligent. Income. He starts
is also-
income. He starts income with the word ENCOME. Is the spelling of income. One who does not know even the spelling of income, how can he improve Bihar?
Tejasvi Yadav also promises that when he will in government, he will provide 2,500 in the name of My Bahin Yojana to Mahila and sisters.
This is, I told you several times that this is only election fraudism. This is nothing more than this. Nobody can do so. Is it possible? हम लोग I have come to know, I have a thing comes to my remembrance now. When I was making preparation for BPSC,
Yes.
during 15 years of Lalu Yadav regime, only 30,000 candidates have been appointed. 30,000 during 15 years.
How was Bihar during the Lalu reason?
This is not a question of clarification. Everybody knows it. What type of Bihar was?
What were happening in the era of Lalu Yadav?
The Bihar was going to worst in the age of Lalu Yadav. Casteism had the upper hand. Casteism was uncontrolled. We were very afraid of going out of home after 6 p.m.
After 6 p.m.
Yes,
But some people used to say that Lalu Yadav had given sounds to them. गरीबों को आवाज दिया है लालू यादव ने.
he has not given sounds. He has given voice to not to the weaker section of Bihar. This generation or this present जो time है, presently
जी.
nobody can avoid the messages of the message. आम लोगों की बात को कोई उसको दे नहीं सकता है, इसलिए कि people have become conscious. There is complete consciousness among the people of Bihar.
One more question. Do you know? I think so. You know, MY Samikaran, on which Tejasvi Yadav and Lalu Yadav said that they will have, or according to percentage of Bihar, there is MY Samikaran 31%, and the caste from which Nitish Kumar came only 3%. Then how Tejasvi or Lalu Yadav not come into the politics of Bihar or in the present government?
No, people are not relying him. Is it true that MY Samikaran, MY equation is relevant, as still relevant, but only Muslim and Yadav are not
The people of
citizens,
Bihar.
people. Yes, there are so many castes in Bihar. He should think about all of them.
Will Tejasvi Yadav क्या लगता है जनता का भरोसा जीत पाएंगे?
No, he can't win the faith of the people of Bihar.
He cannot win the faith of people of Bihar.
Yes. He had done nothing, for example, that he had done something good.
Who will?
There are so many cases against him. There are several severe cases of corruption against him and his family members. That's why people are not trusting him. Next reason is this, that people are afraid of the arrival of Nitish Kumar, Tejasvi Yadav as the CM of Bihar, because people think that if we do so, the situation of chaos will prevail in Bihar.
Oh. One more question. In NDA, there is final seat distribution had been done, but in the Mahagathbandhan seat has not been announced till now.
Yes.
How can you see?
Yes, I see that. In this matter, I can say you that in his alliance, each and every political party wants to get more and more seats. They have no good opinion for the people of Bihar. They wants to give benefit to himself.
So is there any clash between Mahagathbandhan?
Yes, there is complete class. There is complete class. Only 243 seats are in Bihar, and at present 256 candidates are in the fray.
आरोप प्रत्यारोप का भी दौर है, आपस में कैंडिडेट खड़े कर दिए जा रहे हैं। एक तरफ राजद के तो 12 ऐसी सीटें हैं जहां राजद और
बिल्कुल वही ना कहा,
आपस में खड़े हैं।
43 की जगह 256 हो जाता है।
जी
क्या तो इतने लोग क्या है, ये सब क्या हो रहा है? इन लोगों का इन लोगों के अलायंस में, इन लोगों के गठबंधन में किसी तरह का कोई दम नहीं है,
कोई दम नहीं।
कोई दम नहीं है।
तो देखिए हमारे साथ बीपीएससी के पूर्व छात्र किस तरीके से इंग्लिश में फुरटेदार तरीके से लालू यादव के समय के बारे में इन्होंने बताया है, नीतीश कुमार क्यों बेहतर है ये भी इन्होंने बताया है। तो तमाम ऐसे ही खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहे। भारत लाइव देख रहे थे आप, धन्यवाद।
आपके सपनों को हमने सजाया है, ई होम्स पैनोरामा को हमने बनाया है।
ई होम्स मेरा एक सपना था जिसपे मैं पिछले 4 साल से काम कर रहा था।
हमने जो बनाया है वो सबने है माना। ई होम्स पैनोरामा में हो आपका भी आशियाना।
और फाइनली हमने 2021 में इस प्रोजेक्ट को लॉन्च किया। बहुत लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं कि पूर्णिया जैसे शहर में, बिहार के, एक तो बिहार की बात करें उसमें भी पूर्णिया जैसे छोटे जगह में इस तरह का लाइफस्टाइल देना, ये सुन के हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ई होम्स में हमने कुछ और भी किया है, जैसे हम जिस जगह में रह रहे हैं हमारे फैमिली सिक्योर हो, उनको सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान में रखा है।
आपकी सुविधा और सुरक्षा आपके लिए खास है, ये आपका विश्वास है।
इसमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का 7 लेयर सिक्योरिटी का हमने इस्तेमाल किया है। लस ग्रीन कैंपस को बनाया है। यदि हमारा बाउंड्री वाल है तो वो वर्टिकल गार्डन है। ये जितनी भी फैसिलिटी होता है एक इंटरनेशनल टाउनशिप में ई होम्स है, ये हम लोग विश्वास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। जो भी हमारे मित्र दोस्त या जो भी हमारे बाहर के बाहर आते हैं तो हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा सुनने को मिलता है और बहुत अच्छा क्रेडिट मिल रहा है। वो सारा हमने सिर्फ एक बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाया, हमें एक बहुत अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल दिया ई होम्स में, और मेरा एक सपना था जिसको मैं आज फुलफिल होते हुए देख पा रहा हूँ।
ये आपका आवास है। ई होम्स पैनोरामा में अब आपका निवास है। ई होम्स पैनोरामा, लग्जूरियस लाइफस्टाइल रीडिफाइंड।
पनोरमा ग्रुप, जो सोचता है वो करता है।
अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई और वह बिहार के राजनीति और बिहारियत से सरोकार रखेनी तो सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा के चैनल के सब्सक्राइब कर ली। ओजे एगो घंटी बा, ओकरा बटन दबा देला से कुल सटीक और मारक खबर रुआ मुफ्त में मिल जाई। अगर रुआ पत्रकारिता के हमनी के नया प्रयोग में सहयोग कर चाहतानी तो ज्वाइन बटन दबा दी। पेटीएम नंबर नोट कर ली 938681